Welcome to AP Workshops, welcome to another one of our tech tip thingies. I think we're going to call them thingies because I quite like the idea of being able to pass on thingies for people. So basically, welcome to another one of our AP Workshop tech tip thingies. Okay, welcome. So basically what we're going to talk to you about today is dating your bike. Effectively, when you ring us, you need to give us a date of the bike so we can make sure we've got the correct parts. When it comes to Gen 1 bikes, a lot of people aren't 100% sure about exactly what year the bike is, because there could well be some sort of late sold bikes that have been sitting around in showrooms for a while. So what we're going to do is show you how to date it using the VIN number. So the VIN number is the frame number. The frame number is stamped onto the headstock on this particular bike. They are all stamped on the headstock on bikes. If you are not sure, if you want to find out exactly what's going on about the entire frame number, you can go onto our website, and if you have a look in the technical library section, there is a decoder there, so you can see and you can decode exactly what type of bike you've got, what year it is, etc., where it was made, that kind of stuff. But if you go onto there, apworkshops.co.uk, you can see it all there. Like I said, it's in the technical section. So what we're looking for on our frame number here, every bike that's been made in Europe for an awful long time has been made with a 17-digit code or a 17-digit number. We've covered up the last 6 digits on this particular frame to hide the identity of this particular bike. But if you have a look at the 10th digit, which happens to be a 7 here, so count from the front, ZD4, 7 is the 10th digit of the frame number, which means this bike was made in 2007. So when you ring up, if you're not 100% sure about what year your bike is, and literally the registration number isn't any kind of indication about the year of the bike, but if you have a look at the frame number, the 10th digit of the frame number or the VIN number or the chassis number will give you the exact date of manufacture on this particular bike. One more fun fact about your bike, if you're really interested, is you can date your bike's frame. If you have a quick look on the rear cross member here, which is where the rear shock mounts to, we're going to cut to a still. And we're back in the room. This bike's birth date is basically I think it's the 15th of the 12th, 2006. So this is the day, this frame's birth date. So if you wanted to throw it apart, well, most of our bikes get treated like kids anyway, don't they? So, thanks very much. If you want to get in touch, you can get in touch with us. sales@apworkshops.co.uk. We answer all of the emails first thing in the morning when they come in, no problems. If you want to get in touch, you can call us at the shop. Myself, Snox or Amber will answer the phone to you, no problems. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks very much for tuning in. We'll talk to you soon.